In this video, I'll tell you how to remove your data from a PC or laptop before selling it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Before you start, make sure you back up any important files because after resetting the device, your personal data will be removed from the computer. To begin, open Settings, then go to System and open Recovery. In the Reset This PC section, click Reset PC. Since you are preparing the laptop or computer for selling, choose Remove Everything. This option is made for removing your files, apps, and settings from the device. After that, Windows will ask how you want to reinstall the system. The recommended option here is Cloud Download, but remember that you need a Wi-Fi or internet connection for it to work. If Cloud Download does not work for you, you can use Local Reinstall instead. After confirming the reset, let Windows complete the process. When it is finished, the laptop should work like it did after purchase without your personal files and settings still sitting there. That's the main thing to remember. Always back up what you need first, then use Remove Everything because selling a computer without wiping your data is never a good idea. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.